Here is how to mute keyboard sound on Samsung phone. So if you want to disable like this, open your setting. You can disable from here. Tap on sound and vibration. Next, you can tap sound. So you can enable or disable Samsung keyboard, touch interaction, charging, all their link keypad. Or you can disable from here. Go to general, Samsung keyboard setting, and then you can more typing option. Go to here, swipe touch and feedback. Touch feedback, and then you can see sound vibration character preview. You can disable here this setting, sound touch feedback. Very easy.